In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and change images on your Wix site. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started with building your platform, understanding how to manage your images is an essential skill. So let's dive into the process of uploading images first. Begin by opening the Wix editor. Once you have the editor open, take a quick look at the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Elements. Click on that. Now, navigate to and select Image, which will lead you to another option called Upload Images. This is where you can start uploading your visuals. Choosing a source for your images is the next step. If your files are stored on your computer, select Upload from Computer. This will open a window where you can browse for the files you need. After selecting, click Open, and your images will be uploaded. As an added convenience, you can also drag and drop your files directly into the Media Manager window if that suits you better. If your images reside on social media or other platforms, you're covered as well. Simply click on the platform from which you want to upload, such as Google Drive or Facebook. When prompted, you'll need to connect your account, select the files you wish to use, and hit the Upload selection button. For those using a URL to source their images, click the link icon, paste your URL, and then click Import. It's as straightforward as that. Lastly, if you're working with images from other Wix sites, you can easily access them by clicking My Wix Account. Locate the site folder you need and choose the files you'd like to import. Once your images are uploaded, you might find yourself needing to change an image on your site. Let's cover how you can do that seamlessly. First, find the image you want to alter within the Wix editor and give it a click. A toolbar will appear, presenting the Change Image button or a settings icon you can select. From there, the Media Manager window comes into play again. You have a couple of choices. Either select an image you've already uploaded, or follow the same uploading steps we just discussed to bring a new picture into play. When you've made your choice, simply click Add to Page. The image on your site will be replaced with your new selection just like that. With these steps, you can keep your website's visuals fresh and engaging, always ensuring they align with the aesthetic and message you wish to convey. Whether you're uploading for the first time or swapping out some images, this process should now feel like second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.